Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable typo squatting checker in Edge and Chrome browser to strengthen your security. What is typo squatting checker? This feature is this feature lets you redirect correct page when you try to open some website by entering wrong URL, such as I want to open google.com and I just typed google.com, google.com. That is typing mistake. When I will press enter on the keyboard, it will automatically redirect to the correct page, or it will prompt you for this that you want to open that page, or you should be redirected to the correct web page. Like this feature works. It is very useful feature. To enable this feature in Edge browser, click on this one menu button and here select settings option in the drop down menu. Then on the left sidebar, click on this one option, privacy, search and services. Here scroll down on the right side and find website typo protection in security section. Just enable this feature, turn on this toggle like this, and you are good to go. And if you are using a Chrome browser and you are using the latest one version, there is no need to do any setting. By default this is enabled on Chrome browser latest version. And if you are using old Chrome version, you need to enable a flag that name is navigation suggestions for look alike URLs. So just enable this flag and this feature will be enabled on your Chrome browser also. However, if you are using the latest version of Google Chrome browser, there is no need to enable any flag. You don't have to worry about anything. Just use it. If you don't know how to, if you don't know how to update Chrome browser to the latest one, just click on menu button in Chrome browser, go to help, select here about Google Chrome, and this will automatically check and download the latest version of Chrome and install on your PC. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you have already subscribed and you love this video, kindly share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.